V2 is the world's fastest electronic coating solution for any electronic device. No masking is required for any of the components and can be done with a spray or dip application. All conductivity related to the board will remain stable. Our special solution is a non-flammable UL94 rated formula and requires no special tools besides a heat gun or curing oven. The process begins with dipping the board's electronic components into the solution. After the board has been submerged for a couple seconds and no air bubbles are seen coming out, it's time to take the board out. Drain excess solution from the board by holding it at a 45-degree angle. Use heat gun, set at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Apply heat evenly throughout the board for 1 to 2 minutes. This ensures that the clear insulating coating forms around all electronic components, protecting it against water, moisture, humidity, dust, and corrosion. Note how the power component can be submerged and is protected. Apply heat one more time to cure the coating. If a chipset fails, simply solder it off. When you solder a new one, touch up with V2 to reseal components. No need to submerge entire board again. Results from a successful V2 coating are tested by applying water onto the board. Strong hydrophobic features are demonstrated when a contact angle of more than 90 degrees makes the water hold its shape when coming down the board. Here we submerge the device fully underwater. You can see that the device is still powered on and charging. V2 can increase the lifetime of your electronic devices and is easily integrated into manufacturing production lines. Certified testings performed are UL94, IPX67, IPX68, 9H hardness, CAS, dielectric, vibration, ASTM G21, and more. V2 is ROHS compliant and has had comprehensive lab testings performed by DECRA, Intertech, Element, Dynaline, Cascade, Touchstone, SGS, and GovMark. Experience durability with V2 electronic nano coating solution.